red. So this is red.
So everyone look.
Over.
So here there's a jungle joke. Why don't bears wear shoes? Because they prefer to be barefoot.
A zebra.
Wow.
Oh, what is it? Oh, monkeys. Jungle joke.
Wow.
What do your...
Wait, what's wrong?
I think...
So this one.
What do your...
Now can I read it for you? So here there's a jungle joke. What do you give a sick pig? Oink oink ointment.
That was he was talking about. Wait, there was another one.
What's another? Show me.
That was a green.
Why don't
What
bears
is
wear
this?
shoes? They prefer to be barefoot.
What? Don't put it.
Okay, guys, open it and try it. I think it's really nice. So all the kids that are watching it, you can eat this at school. You can have these in lunch packs if you're lunch pack student.
And we can do the movies at these.
Yeah, it's a snack that you can eat at home.
Yeah, you should watch it the iPad like a TV.
Okay, guys. Oh, wow. Guys, look. So this is what it looks like.
That's okay.
It's all white from the inside.
Look at them. Hand yogurt. Oh my god.
So it's all white.
So I'm gonna finish it all. I'm gonna win.
So how does it taste, everyone?
Very.
Well, obviously yogurt. Does it taste like strawberry?
It tastes like strawberry jam, like a new one. But it tastes really nice. Ow, oh my mouth.
Okay, so everyone, you can get these everywhere. It's all around the world, and they have different animals that
They live
at the bottom of the yogurt. It has a lion.
It has the monkeys.
Well, I think I have a monkey too. So guys, what color is this? What color is the packaging?
It's red. It tastes really strawberries.
Yeah, red for strawberry. Red for strawberry.
So if you like our video, please subscribe and turn on notification. It's a big thumbs up.
Bye bye, everyone.